Audio rolling.
There we go.
Okay. Mark, audio rolling.
Okay, this is Paul
Reading.
reading take 2.
Take 1.
Slate.
Mandarin Duck stood up, drew up.
It
a
happened that
mouthful
the
of
next
saliva
day
from
was
her
the
throat
lucky day,
and
which
spat
had
it
been
right
picked
into
out in the calendar
sister-in-law's
for
face.
Chang to set out on his journey
to yourself and be off.
Mr. Chang had no
Get
knowledge
as far away
what
from
was
me as
what had
possible.
happened in the
She
bridal
began
chamber the
angrily.
evening before.
I won't listen to this stupid talk of good
He
luck.
was under the
and
delusion that everything was
You
as it
really
should be,
behave
and
as
he was
if I were
consequently
to
in
envy
excellent
in the
spirits.
prospect of
Actually,
putting away my
the
life
ladies were
behind
deliberately
my life.
keeping him
At
in
the side of an
ignorance,
old tyrant.
for they did not wish to
profligate
depress his
old
spirits
man.
before the
That
journey.
means wanting to chase
At
me
the great
into a
farewell,
fairy
the
pit
ancestress
with eyes
was
open.
able to arrange matters in
But
such
I
a
will not be
way
misled by
that he
anyone,
only saw his
and will decide my own
son
weal
face to face
or woe
during a
for
few brief
myself.
moments
The
required
dumbfounded
for
sister-in-law
receiving
had
his
not
farewell.
expected such a quick and thorough rebuff.
Strictly
and
speaking,
went
he
away
should go with
grumbling
you,
and sulking.
the prescribed 10 miles
Pearl and the little
parting
king
escort, she
tried
said.
to
But he was
some time
only partially
to calm the
recovered.
excited
his
Mandarin
health.
Duck.
He had
Then turning to Pearl, the
blah
little
blah
king
blah
said,
blah blah blah.
"From where do you come so unexpectedly just now? We
Okay.
didn't notice you coming."
Video cut.
I had been with Miss Grief of Spring to fetch Powell Yu, but I arrived a moment too late, for he had already gone back to.
Cool, Paul. Close the book. Still rolling. And yeah, there we go. Okay. Audio rolling. Okay, this is Paul reading take 2. Slate.
It happened that the next day was the lucky day, which had been picked out in the calendar for Chia Cheng to set out on his journey to the south. Mr. Cheng had no knowledge of what had happened in the bridal chamber the evening before. He was under the delusion that everything was as it should be, and he was consequently in excellent spirits. Actually, the ladies were deliberately keeping him in ignorance, for they did not wish to depress his spirits before the journey. At the great farewell, the ancestress was able to arrange matters in such a way that he only saw his son face to face during a few brief moments required for receiving his farewell. Strictly speaking, he should go with you, the prescribed 10 miles of the parting escort, she said. But he was only partially recovered his health. He had blah 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 blah.
Okay. Video cut.